Our project is TradeX.ai, created by Piyush Mishra, Prateek Pai and Pradyuman Singh under the guidance of Dr. Sukanya Kulkarni and Professor Sneha Vicky. The motivation behind this project is we know that the stock market is volatile and gives high returns. With the use of artificial intelligence and other such advanced technologies, we can predict the stock prices, and this will help everyone in the long run. The problems faced are there's a lack of knowledge and mentality that is required to invest in the stock market. Also, existing systems do not perform well today. So our aim is to provide a holistic solution which consists of sentiment analysis using BERT, historical price analysis using LSTM, and creating a user-friendly application that will help everyone.
Now I will be demonstrating you the functioning of our code. For the historical data analysis, we have fetched the data from Yahoo Finance website for a particular ticker name. This function uses the requests API in Python, which is used for posting HTTP requests onto the internet. This function fetches the data from Yahoo Finance website in CSV format and converts it to pandas data frame. Once we have the data frame, we pre-process it and scale it using the min-max scaler, which scales it in the feature range of 0 to 1. We use the average of open, high, low and close values for a particular stock on a particular day. The model that we have used is a recurrent neural network LSTM model. LSTM stands for long short-term memory. For this, we have used 3 layers of LSTM, one with 32 dimensions, other with 16 dimensions, and a dense layer. The activation function that we have used is a linear activation function, and the optimization function for gradient descent is AdaGrad optimizer. Once we have the trained model, we then test it over using the test dataset. Once we have predicted the values using test dataset, we feed it the future values and predict the values for the next 1 week. This function is used for doing the same. For news sentiment analysis, we have used the BERT model, which is a pre-trained model for sentiment analysis on text, which is pre-trained by Google. We have fine-tuned it to our needs for news sentiment analysis. The function getNews is used for fetching the headlines relevant to a particular stock from ticker tape website using web scraping. For web scraping, we have used Beautiful Soup API, which is available in Python. The function getResult is responsible for predicting the sentiment of a particular statement using the pre-trained saved model, and accordingly we return the sentiment as positive, negative or neutral. The function sentiment is used for fetching the headlines for a particular stock. Once we have the dataset, we scale it by using pre-processing techniques and then feed it to the saved model for prediction. Now I will be demonstrating you our website. Our website is made as a holistic solution for stock prediction, market sentiment analysis, and also viewing the financial statements for a particular stock. This website is made using Anvil platform, which provides you making free user interface and writing the backend code for it. It also provides WebSocket function for connecting our user interface with the backend server code, which runs on the Jupyter notebook. For stock prediction, the user has to enter the stock name. I will enter Reliance.ms and the number of days, that is 200. Once we hit predict, the ticker name and the number of days is sent to the server, and the server then performs the fetching of the data and also the model training and analysis. And once the model training is done, the results are published on the website. As you can see, we get the graph, that is the predicted values and the present value, and also the future predicted values for the next 6 days. Now I will be showing the market sentiment analysis. For market sentiment analysis, also we need to enter the stock name. I will enter Vodafone and I will hit analyze statement. Once we hit analyze statement, the ticker name is sent to the server, which runs on the Jupyter notebook, and all the model training and sentiment analysis is done on the server and then again posted onto the website. So as you can see, The model has predicted the sentiment for all the headlines on a particular date, and it has posted on to the website. As you can see, there is a sentiment associated with every headline. We have a mix of positive and negative sentiments. Now for the last part, we have also incorporated financial statement fetching of a particular stock from the Yahoo Finance website and publishing it onto our website. This will not only give the user the estimation of stock prediction and market sentiment, but through this the user can also see how the company has performed over years. For this, I will enter a particular stock name, let's say Reliance. Then I will hit on balance sheet. Once I hit the balance sheet button, the data is fetched onto the server from the Yahoo Finance website and published onto our website. Once we fetch the data, it is produced on the website like this. We can also generate income statements as follows. And we can also generate cash flow statements. This will give a holistic solution to the user, and the user can invest in a particular stock accordingly. Thank you.